Be ready. Start. The learned advocate for the Jilla Parishad has confirmed that compassionate appointment cannot be claimed as a matter of right, and it is not a mode of recruitment. The reservation policy would not be made applicable to compassionate appointments, as such appointments do not form a separate class. Once the breed earner dies in harness or is incapacitated or is declared medically unfit, paving way to a legal heir being appointed on compassionate basis. A reservation policy may or may not be made applicable because such appointments are not a mode of recruitment. Nevertheless, if such bread earner had secured employment on the basis of a claim of belonging to a reserved category, and such employee was duty bound to submit his validity certificate so as to legalize his selection and appointment, and the death of such an employee would not exclude his post from reservation. The said post would not be converted into an open category post merely because the employee died before submitting his caste validity certificate. Moreover, when the compassionate appointment has secured employment, since the father succeeded in gaining such appointment on the basis of a reserved caste, the obligation of the father of submitting a caste validity certificate would blind even a compassionate appointment who would be equally obliged to submit a caste validity certificate. Para. We have noticed two orders passed by the division bench of this court at the principal seat dated 10th December 2016, delivered in writ petition number 2687/2015, filed by Shashikant Dhale versus the State of Maharashtra and others, and dated 24th December 2017, passed in writ petition number 6177/2015 in Sudarshan Chenna versus Divisional Caste Scrutiny Committee and another, which have not been cited before us. We are considering these two orders, which are based on the view taken in Vinod Kumar Singh. Para. In the father of the petitioner was declared medically unfit, Shashikant was appointed on compassionate basis. In his place, the appointment order did not indicate that he was appointed on a reserved category post. Relying upon it was concluded that once the appointment order was made on compassionate ground and no reservation policy is made applicable, the compassionate appointment is not required to submit a validity certificate. In Sudarshan Chenna, the claim of Sudarshan was invalidated on 22nd January 2016. He was appointed as a Talati on compassionate ground on 16th December 2000. It was not indicated that he was appointed on a reserved post. Once again, reliance was placed on Vinod Kumar Singh and the same view was followed. Stock